Log into the Nurture mobile app with your valid credentials and you will land on the home page. Here I will show you how to seamlessly mark attendance for your students using the Nurture mobile app. So as soon as you land on the home page, go to the bottom menu and the last menu item says attendance. Click on attendance and you get this view. This is the page where the batches will be listed according to the dates. For example, you see a scrollable calendar on top. If you select a particular date, all the batches running on that date will be visible below it. Similarly, I go to Tuesday 16th and I see all the batches that are available for Tuesday 16th. If I go to Thursday 18th, because there are no batches running, you will find the bottom panel empty. Also, you get a calendar icon on the top right hand corner. If you click on this calendar icon, you can get a holistic view of on what dates the batches are running for your institute. The dots below the dates are a representation that batches are running on these particular dates. For example, if I click on 16th, you get the batches here. If I click on 18th, there are no batches. And that is the same representation here with the help of dots. Dots say that you have batches running on this particular date. Now, how to mark the attendance? For example, I go to Tuesday 16th. This is the list of batches I have. Now, for the microbiology batch, the second one, I want to mark the attendance or add the attendance. I click anywhere on the box and it opens this panel. Now this panel shows the list of students that are enrolled in that batch, and here we will mark the attendance. So either you can do a bulk update, mark all as present if that is the case, or you can also go one by one. Here I'll go one by one just to show you a count of the present to absent. So I mark 2 as present and I confirm and submit. As soon as I mark 2 present, 2 are automatically marked absent, and the details you can see on the top panel. Here 4 total, 2 present and 2 absent. Also you can click on these boxes and get a list of the present and absent. So this is how you can keep a track of the student attendance for your institute. Now there is also an option to edit the attendance if you want to, because there might be a case that students are late for the class. So if you want to edit the attendance, I click on it again, I get an edit option and you go to edit, and now you want to mark all as presents. You click this and the attendance is updated. Once the attendance is marked, instead of add attendance, you will get the view attendance button. You can click on it and have a view of the attendance. Also, the attendance module or the attendance can be marked by all the batch assignees and also the super admin for the account.